Hi viewers, welcome to Pallavi Maths Hub. In this session, I am going to discuss about 100 multiple choice questions. Tomorrow morning, you are going to write your examination. Okay, welcome you all for the live session. Let's start the session. First question is 2, 6, 10, dash 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 94. The number of terms. You need to find out number of terms. So this one is an, last term is an, and this one is a, first term a. Find d is equals to a2 minus a1. Okay, a2 minus a1. 6 minus 2 is 4. Find out. Now an is equals to formula we know a plus n minus 1 into d. an is 94 is equals to 6. A value is 2 plus n minus 1 into d value is 4. 94 minus 2 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 94 minus 2 is 92 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So n minus 1 is equals to 23. N is equals to 23 plus 1 is 24. Which option is right? Option B is correct. So number of terms is 24. The second question, the sum of two terms of the AP. The sum of two terms of the AP whose nth term is an is equals to 3n minus 4. You need to find out sum of two terms. Means S2 is equals to question mark. Okay. an given an is 3n plus 5. Sorry, this is minus. Okay. Find out a1 is equals to 3 into 1 minus 5. 3 ones are 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. Find out a2. a2 is equals to 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 twos are 6 minus 5 is 1. Now substitute here s2 is equals to a1 plus a2. a1 is minus 2 plus a2 is 1, which is equals to minus 1. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, third question. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is dash. So what is the formula? an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So which option is right? A plus n minus 1 into d. The two options are correct. Is it right? an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. But in your examination, if you get like this, mark any one option. Okay. Next, the fourth question. In an arithmetic progression, a is equals to 1, an is equals to 19, and sn is equals to 400. Then n is equals to dash. Okay, you need to find out n value. Okay. So here we know last term is present here. Okay, this is L. Directly apply formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L. Sn is 400 is equals to n. You need to find out n. N by 2 into a value is 1 plus L value is 19. Okay. 400 cross multiply this one. It becomes to numerator is equals to n into 19 plus 1 is 20. Now cancel this one. 20 into 20 is 400. 22 is 40 is equals to n. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, S15 is 360, S14 is 305, then A15 is dash. So we know the formula AN is equals to Sn minus S into n minus 1. A15 you need to find out. A15 is equals to S15 minus S14. S15 is 360 minus S14 is 305, which equals to 55. Which option is right? Option D is correct. Out of the following option, identify the sides of right angle triangle. Okay, check for this one. 8 8s are 64 plus 8 8s are 64, which is equals to 6 6 are 36 plus 5 5s are 25. So this is not holds good. Check for next one. 10 10s are 100 is equals to 8 8s are 64 plus 36. Yes, this one is holds good. So option B is correct. Okay, don't put formulas and everything. Okay, quickly solve the sums. Okay, if this one is, we know, right angle triangle means obviously AC square is equals to hypotenuse square. This is the hypotenuse square. 10 square, 10 times 100 is equals to shortcut. It takes 64 plus 36, 100. You will get LHS is equals to RHS. Then choose option B. If you have any confusion, then try to solve. Okay, so you have only 1 hour time for one paper. Easy questions, when you get easy questions, try to complete within 30 seconds. Okay, don't spend too much of time for one questions. Next, the ratio of the sides of two similar triangles. Today I am solving very quickly because today is the last day. Tomorrow morning you are going to write for exam. Okay, so that's why I am solving very quickly. Let's go for next question. The ratio of the sides of two similar triangle is 4:9. Then the ratio of their areas. Area space, it will become square. 4 by 9 whole square, which is equals to 4 4s are 16 divided by 9 9s are 81. 16 is to 81. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next question. If a pole of height 10 meter casts a shadow of length 6 meter, then the length of the shadow is dash. Okay. So here I will write, this is pole. Pole height is 10 meter, cast a shadow 6 meter. This is 6 meter. Next, building. I will consider this is a building. Okay. So building height is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. Then the length of the shadow is question mark. Take this one, ratios. 10 by 15, height of the pole divided by height of the building. 10 by 15 is equals to 6 by x. X is equals to 6 into 50 divided by 10. 10 2s are 10, sorry, 3 2, 5 2s are 5 3s are. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 3s are 9 meter. Which option is right? Option A is correct. Next, go for next sum. Ninth question. Here, in the given figure, xy parallel to QR, then YR is equals to dash. You need to find out YR. Just here they given 3. 3 3s are 9 because here they multiplied by 3. Okay. Similarly, here also multiply this one. 5 3s are multiply. 5 3s are 15. Which option is right? Option B is correct. ABC is an equilateral triangle with side 2A. Then its height is dash. So height of the equilateral triangle. What is the formula height of the equilateral triangle? Yeah, so many times they are asking this question. Height of the equilateral triangle is equals to. Sorry, my 1 second here gets stuck in. Yes, now it's working. Okay, height of the equilateral triangle is equals to, formula is root 3 divided by 2a. Okay, now substitute root 3 into 2 into 2a. 2 get cancelled. Remaining answer is root 3a. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum. Which of the following triangle is always similar? Always similar. Equilateral triangle is always similar. Just go for 12th question. X plus y is equals to 10. X minus y is equals to 6. Then the value for x and y is dash. You need to find out the value of x and y. Substitute 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Yes, you are getting 4 minus 6 is equals to minus 2. Then this option is wrong. Then go for second option. Second option is x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 2. If I put 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 minus 2 is how much? 6. Yes, you are getting. Substitute here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum, 13th question. Here, number of solution of the linear equation x minus y is equals to 4. So x minus y is equals to 4. 2x minus 4y is equals to 3. I have dashed. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. a1 is 1 divided by a2 is 2, which is equals to b1 is minus 1 divided by minus, sorry, again this one is 1. Once again, I got confusion. Once again. A1 is 1, A2 is 2, and B1 is minus 1 divided by B2 is minus 4, which is equals to C1 is 4 divided by C2 is 3. Not equals, not equals. So how many solutions? This one, A1 not equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So it does unique solution. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next sum, general form of linear equation. 2x minus 2x is equals to 8 minus 3y is dash. Write out the general form. 2x, first is x term, ax1 plus by1. This is the general form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Write it in the order. First x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. Which option? Option D is the correct answer. Next, the length of the tangent which is drawn to a circle of radius 5 cm from a point 13 cm away from the center of the circle is dash. This is a circle. Okay, radius is 5 cm. Away from the center to the point is 13 cm. Then you need to find out the length of the tangent is question mark. So this is 90 degree, always we know. Now BC square is equals to apply Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. 13 square is equals to AB is 5 square plus AC square. 13 is a 169 is equals to 5 is a 25 plus AC square. 169 minus 25 is 144 is equals to AC square. AC is equals to root 144, which is equals to 12 centimeter. Option B is correct. The angle between the tangent is 130 degree. Then the angle between the radii. This is the circle. Angle between the tangent. The given 130 degree. Angle between the radii. This one. 130. Sorry, this is 130. This one is, then it is equals to 50, 60, 70, 80. Yes, 50 plus 130 is 180. So option E is correct. Next sum. 17th question. In the given figure, AP is equals to 3, PC is equals to 8 centimeter. Then the length of the tangent C is dash. Then the length of tangent C is dash. AP the given 3 centimeter and P to C is 8 centimeter. Okay. If this is the external point, these both are equal. Okay. If it is 3, then this is also 3. Then find out this one. I will find out 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 centimeter. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, 18th sum. If the line segment of the length 10 centimeter is divided in the ratio 3:2, then the measure of each parts of the line segment so obtained in the ratio is dash. So here 3:2. The given the line segment of length, this is the line segment 10 centimeter, divides in the ratio 3:2. This is 3 part, 3:2, this one is 2 part. Okay, so 3 3 2s are 6. 6 is to 4. You will get this one. 6 is to 4. When you cancel this one, you will get again 3 is to 2 4. So which option is right? 6 is to 4. Okay. Next. The distance between the point 6 comma minus 8 and the origin is dash. So distance from the origin x square plus y square, which is equals to square root of 6 square plus of minus 8 whole square. Square root of 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8 are 64, which is equals to square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, the coordinate of the midpoint which divides the line segment joining the point 3, 7 and minus 3, 1. So here I'm going to explain 20th question. 3, 7 and minus 3, 1. Midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Substitute the values. X1 is 3 plus x2 is minus 3 divided by 2. Comma, y1 is 7 plus 1 divided by 2. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, 0. So no need to find out this one. If you get time, do it. 3 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 0, 4. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, 21st question. The first question is, if the point A of 2, 3, B of 4, K, C of 6, minus 3 are collinear, then the value of K is dash. Okay, collinear, apply slope formula. Slope formula is x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1, which is equals to, I will first grouping this one. Okay, next I am grouping this line. Again, here also I will take x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1. This is for AB and this is for BC. x2 is your 4 minus 2 divided by y2 is k minus y1 is 3 is equals to x2 is 6 minus x1 is 4 divided by, for this, I'm grouping for this, okay. y2 is minus 3 minus y1 is k. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by k minus 3 is equals to 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by minus, I will take common, it will become 3 plus k. Cross multiply this one. 2 into minus 2 into 3 plus k is equals to 2 into k minus 3. Minus 2 3 is a 6 minus 2k is equals to 2k minus 2 3 is a 6. Minus 6, this one change to this one, it will become plus 6 is equals to 2k plus 2k. 0 is equals to 4k. Then value of k is how much? 0. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, the formula to find the distance between the point. Distance formula. Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So which option is right? Option D is correct. 23rd question. Root of the equation 5x square minus 125 is equals to, some mistake is here. Consider this one as 0. Okay. So we'll get 5x square is equals to minus 125. Check to this side. It will become plus 125. 5x square is equals to, sorry, cancel this one. 5. Just a minute. Yes. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 fives are. So 25. X is equals to plus or minus square root of 25, which is equals to plus or minus 5. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Don't pick only plus 5. Okay, students will get confusion here. Both square root is there means plus 5 and another one is minus 5. Here 2 is the highest degree. Degree is 2. Then you will get two solutions. Okay. One is plus 5 and another one is minus 5. Next, if the roots of the equation 2x square minus 8x plus k is equals to 0 are real and equal means delta becomes 0. Is it right? Yes, I'll show you. Delta become 0. Roots are real and equal means delta become 0. Formula is delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Delta value is 0 is equals to a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 8, c is equals to k. B value is minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c value is k. 0 is equals to 8 8 is 64 minus 4 2 is 8k. 8k is equals to 64. K is equals to 8. 8 1s are 8 8 8 8s are. Which option is right? Option E is correct. Next, go for 25th question. 25th question is Sheila have 1 rupees coin and 2 rupee coin. Okay, the sum. I don't know how many rupees 1 rupees coin. I will consider this one as x 1 rupees coin 1 into x plus 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coins. I will consider this one as y. Sheila have 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin is the sum plus this one. So which is equals to 16 rupees. Choose the equation which satisfies the following statement. Here x plus 2y is equals to 16. Here we won't get any options. So x plus 2y plus 16 take to left hand side. It will become minus 16 is equals to 0. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, 26th term, general form of a quadratic equation. What is the general form? Ax square plus bx plus c. General form of a quadratic equation is this one. Ax square plus bx plus c is the general form. Next, equals to 0. This is, we are finding the roots. For finding the roots, we are using this one. Okay. So general form is this one. Ax square plus bx plus c. Don't get confusion here for these types of questions. Next. 27. Nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. So nature of the root. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. A value is 4. B value is minus 4. C value is 1. Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into A value is 4 into C value is 1. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 4s are 16 is equals to 0. Then roots are real and equal. Next, sin theta is equals to 12 by 3. Then cos theta value. So this is 12. Sin theta means opposite by adjacent. Sorry. Opposite by hypotenuse. This is this opposite by hypotenuse. Then this one is 13. A, B, C. Apply Pythagoras theorem. You will get, unless this is standard Pythagoras triplet, you will get 5. 12, 3, 5. So 13 is 169 is equals to 144. 12 12 is 144 plus 5 5 is 25. Yes, you will get 169. So which option is right? Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. 5 by 13. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, go for 29th question. 29th question is, cosecant theta is equals to 2. You can write cosecant theta is equals to 2 by 1. Then sin theta is equals to reciprocal of cosecant theta means 1 by 2. Which option is right? Option A is correct. Next, 30th question, the value of sin A plus cos A whole square minus 1 divided by sin A into cos A is dash. Okay, so here, observe here, sin A plus cos A, trigonometric identities, 1 square minus 1 divided by this one as usual denominator, 1 minus 1 is 0. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, sin 15 degree cos 75 degree plus cos 15 degree sin 75 degree is equals to dash. Okay, so sin 15 degree right as it is, and here instead of cos you can write this one as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Okay, plus this one right as it is cos 15 degree into sin, instead of sin 75 degrees, sin 90 minus 75. So here sin 15 degree cos 90 minus 90 minus 75 is sin 15 degree. Okay, plus cos 15 degree sin 90 minus 75 is cos complementary angles. Okay, multiply this one, sin 15 into sin 15, sin square 15 degree plus cos 15 degree into cos 15 degree, cos square 15 degree. Trigonometric identities, which is equals to 1. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, tan square A is equals to dash. 1 plus tan square A is equals to secant square A. We know this one. So then tan square A is equals to secant square A minus 1. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, 33rd question. Median of the data is 40, then mean is 14, then the mode is dash. So here, which one is one? Empirical relationship between. Okay, what is the empirical relationship between? 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. So 3 median they given how much? 3 into median is 40. 3 into median is 40 is equals to mode plus 2 into mean. 2 into mean is 19. 3 into 40 is 120 is equals to mode plus 2 into 19. 2 into 19 is 38. So mode is equals to 120 minus 38. So 2 7 minus 3, 82. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum. In the following frequency distribution table, the model class is dash. Model class, most repeated frequency, 7. Okay. Then which option is right? Option B is correct. Sigma Fi Xi, sum they given 1860 and sigma Fi is 30 degree, then X bar. Sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi is equals to 1860 divided by 30. 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 6 are 80, 3 2s are. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, go for next sum. Lateral surface area of the cylinder. Lateral surface area of the cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter. Then height is 10 centimeter. So what is the formula lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is equals to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into height is 10. 7 get cancelled. 22 2s are 44. 44 into 10 is 440 square centimeter. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Okay. Next, go for 38th question. 38th question is, sorry, 37th. 37th question is, the water in a, 1 second, we saw 36, okay, 37. The water in a cylindrical shaped vessel having volume 27 cubic centimeter is poured into a conical vessel with the same height and radius. Then what is the volume of the water in the conical vessel? Your cylinder, the given, next other one is cone. Volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is equals to, what is the formula? Volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. Pi r square h. You will get 27. So 27 is equals to pi r square h. Call this as equation 1. Now is poured into a conical vessel with the same height and radius. Then what is the volume of the water in the conical vessel? Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is, what's the formula? Volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 into, instead of pi r square h, put 27. 3 ones are 3 nines are. You will get 9 cubic centimeter. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, the formula to find volume of the frustum of the cone. Just to find out volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi h, where it is? Yes, option A. In option A it is there. So option L and R1, because frustum of the cone we have 2 radius. So 1 by 3 pi h instead of r, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. So option A is correct. Next, go for next sum. 39th sum, the volume of the water, sorry, 1 second. Okay. The volume of the water filled in a tank which is in the shape of cuboidal having length 5 meter, breadth 2 meter, height is 3 meter. So volume of the cuboid is equals to, what is the formula? Length into breadth into height. Substitute 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 cubic centimeter. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, if the ratios of the volume of two spheres is 64 is to 27, then volume of the curved surface area is dash. Volume of the sphere. What is the formula? Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equals to, we know the formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. The given ratio is 64 divided by 27. Next, curved surface area. Curved surface area of the sphere. 4 pi r square. Is it right? So 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. Consider this one. So 3 it will goes up. Okay. 64 into 3 into r, because 1 r I'm shifting downwards, it will come, divided by 27. Instead of 3 we are multiplying this one. 27 into 3 into r. Okay. So 3 get cancelled, r get cancelled, ratio 3 won't get cancelled, 3, okay, 9, 3 ones are no, it's not cancelling. 4 by 3 r cube is correct. Volume of two sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube is correct sphere. 4 by 3, once again, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 64. Ratio is 64 is to 27. then the curved surface area. Little bit, yeah. Eight is to 3. Curved surface 4 pi r square. Yes, 4 pi r square. Yes, everything is correct. Into 3 into r1. Yes, is correct. Why I'm not getting answer? Students, work it on this one. Okay. So now let's go for next. Successfully we completed 40 sums. Next, go for next sum. Okay. Next paper, I will start from one first question. Okay. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is en is equals to 5n minus 5. Then the fifth term is dash. a5 is equals to 5 into 1. N value is 5 minus 5. 5 5 is 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. Which option is right? Option D is correct. First term is D. Common difference is Q. We know formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is p plus n minus 1 into d value is q. So which option is right? P plus n minus 1 into q. P plus n minus 1. I'm not getting any option you. I think maybe wrong. So in this we don't have any options. So that's why students, okay. So if you get choose any option, a mark A, RB, RLC, RLSD. For these types of a question, they will give grace marks. Okay, I will choose A plus n minus 1 into D. Option A. Next, for natural numbers, the value of S50 minus S40 is dash. So this one is different type of question. S50 minus S40. Natural numbers, we have formula n into n plus 1 by 2. First find out S50. 50 into 50 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 25s are 25 into 51. 25 ones are 25 to carry 25 fives are 125 plus 2 127. This is S50. Similarly, find out S40. 40 into 40 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are 20 into 41. 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So here, what you will do? S50 is, we got 1275 minus S40 is 820. So 1275 minus 820 is equals to how much? 455. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, the sum of 20 odd terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash dash. Again, this is natural numbers. Sn is equals to formula, same formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. N value is 20 terms. 20 into 20 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. 10 into 21, which is equals to 210. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, PS by SQ is equals to PT. This one is PS, this is SQ. PS is PT is equals to SQ is TR. PT by GR. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, go for next sum, sixth sum. Sixth sum is triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. AB is equals to 3 times of CD. Then the ratio of triangle AOB and triangle COD. As usual, triangle AOB, I think this is area, I think, but they missed here, okay, divided by ratio. COD is equals to AB divided by CD. So again, this area, I think, change for area. This one is area. Okay, change the question. Is equals to AC square by CD square. AB is 3 times of CD whole square divided by CD whole square. 3 3s are 9 CD square divided by CD square. CD square get cancelled, which is equals to 9:1. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum, choose the correct statement of basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem. What is the BPT theorem? If a line is drawn parallel, yes, if a line drawn parallel to side of triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio, yes, option A is correct. Next, identify the triplet of Pythagoras. Here, 6 6 is 36 plus 8 8 is 64, which is equals to 11 11 is 121. So this one is not old school. Check for this one. 49 plus 10 times 100 is equals to 144. No, not equals. This is also wrong. Then go for this one. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9 is equals to 25. This is also not equal. Then this is also wrong. Check for D. Square root of 2 whole square plus square root of 3 whole square is equals to square root of 5 whole square. Square, square root, square, square root, square, square root, get cancelled. 2 plus 3 is 5 is equals to 5. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, ninth sum. In the graph representing a pair of linear equations, if the lines intersect each other, lines are intersecting, okay, lines are intersect each other, then the equation says intersect, lines are intersects. So how many solutions? So only one solution. So unique solution. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, the line representing 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0 is dash. So a1 by 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by 6 is equals to minus 9 by minus 18. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 9 ones are 9 twos are. The lines are coincident lines. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Okay. Next, pair of linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 3. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5. Coincidence, then the value of k is dash. So a1 by a2, 1 by, or else write down a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Now group only this one because k is present in C. 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by k. Cross multiply, 2k is equals to 4 3s are 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, x minus y is equals to 2, x plus y is equals to 4. Solution of these two linear equation is dash. Yes, minus 3, minus 1, it don't applies because your plus is there. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, you will get minus 4. Don't go for this one. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is also wrong. Check for this one. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is also wrong. Check for this one. 3 minus 2 is equals to 2. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So which option is right for 12th question? Option D is right. Next, go for 30th question. Yes, in the given figure, okay. So just you need to find out, don't read everything, then the value of POQ. POQ, okay. Observe here, yes, in the given figure, the radius of the circle is equals to PQ. The radius of the circle is equals to PQ. Then this and this are equal. Is it right? Yes. Radius is OP. OP is equals to PQ. Then the value of POQ. POQ. You need to find out the angle of this one. Two sides are equal, means two angles are equal. Angle O is equals to this one is equals to angle O. Okay, angle O is equals to this line. OP is equals to angle Q. And radius is always perpendicular to tangent. Then this one is 90 degree. Remaining is this, of course, like 45 degrees equals to 45 degree, because 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So it makes right angle, it makes one complete triangle. Sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes, you are getting. This one is 90, this is 45, 45. So you will get 180. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next sum, angle APB. APB, they give 140 degree. This one is 40 degree. Then AOB is dash. Already we know this is sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree according to quadrilateral properties. 40, this is 140. 140 plus 40 is 180 degree. Okay. 140 off is 70 degree. So which option is right? Option E is correct. The hash code only this part. Only this part. You get confused, I'm right now. Only this part you need to find out. Okay. So this one is 70 degree. So option A is correct. Then go for next sum. O is the center of the circle. As obviously O is the center of the circle. The given external point Q, tangent length is 13. Tangent length is 13. OQ length is 12. Okay. Then the radius of the OQ is 12 centimeter. Then radius is dash. You need to find out radius. Observe here again, here little bit mistake is there, because every time in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse side is the longest side. I think this one is 13 and this one is 12. So many mistakes are there in this question paper. No need to worry. Okay. If you get any questions, if you feel any questions are wrong, mark any answers A, B, R, C, R, S, D. For the types of question, in your exam, they will give grace marks, but don't leave blank. Okay, if you leave blank, then you won't get any marks. 13 13s are 169 is equals to OP square plus 12 12s are 144. 169 minus 144 is equals to OP square. 25 is equals to OP square. OP is equals to root 25 is equals to 5 centimeter. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, go for next sum. 16th question. P of 4, 3, find the distance of the point from x-axis. From the x-axis means you need to pick y value. So 3 units. Find the distance of this point 4, 3 from the origin. So 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. 4 4 is 16 plus 3 3 is 9, which is equals to 25. Means 5 units. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, 3, 8 and minus 7, 4. Find the midpoint of the line joining these points. So find the midpoint. You need to find out the midpoint. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 is 3 plus x2 is minus 7 divided by 2, y1 is 8 plus y2 is 4 divided by 2. 3 minus 7 minus 4 divided by 2, comma 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 by 2. You will get minus 2, comma 6, minus 2, comma 6. Again, you are getting wrong here. Yes, minus 2, comma 6. This is minus, this one is plus. So option B. Just like this, okay? Next, find the if, sorry. Here, a of 2 comma minus 2, b of minus 1 comma x, the distance between lines of this point is 5 units. Then the value of x is dash. So here you need to find out the value of x. So distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So d value is 5. I will take this square to this side. It will become whole square is equals to x2. The value of x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2. The value of y2 is x minus y1. y1 is minus 2 whole square. 5 5 is 25 is equals to, always distance is positive, okay? 25 is equals to minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 3 3s are 9 plus a minus your x plus minus 2 minus plus 2 whole square. 25 minus 9 is equals to x plus 2 whole square. 25 minus 9 is 16 is equals to x plus 2 whole square. Square root take to this side, it will become plus or minus root 16 is equals to x plus 2. I will write it here. Yes. Plus or minus 4 is equals to x plus 2. One is plus 4 side is equals to x plus 2. Another one is minus 4 is equals to x plus 2. So 4 minus 2 is equals to x. Minus 4 minus 2 is equals to x. We will get 2 comma minus 6. 2 comma minus 6. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, 20th sum. Minus 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 3. Find the type of triangle formed by joining these points in a Cartesian coordinate system. Yes, here the given. Minus 4 comma 0 A, B is 4 comma 0 and C is 0 comma 3. Okay, find out the distance between here to here. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 8 is 64 you will get. Distance formula, just distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 4 minus 4 whole square, 0 you will get. This one is 0, this one 4 to 3. 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 4 4 is 16 plus 3 3 is 9, which is equals to square root of 25, which is equals to 5. So this one is 5 units and this one is 4 4 is 16 plus 3 3 is 9. Here also will get 5. 5 comma 5 comma 0. So it is a isosceles triangle. Okay. So this one is isosceles triangle. Next question. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 if the value of the root of the equation are equal to value of c. Okay. Is dash. You need to find out the value of c. We know delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. 4ac is equals to b square. C is equals to b square by 4a. b square by 4a. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, 23rd. 3x square plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 0. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation is dash. Nature of the root, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. B value is 7 whole square minus 4 into A value is 3 into C value is 4. 7 sevens are 49 minus 4 fours are 16. 16 into 3, okay. 16 into 3 is 48. 49 minus 48 is equals to 1. So roots are real and distinct. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, standard form of the quadratic equation in the variable of x is dash. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Next, x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Roots of this quadratic equation is minus 3 and the other root is dash. So x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then x is equals to minus 3. Already minus 3 they given. They go for this one. 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2 divided by 3. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, go for 25th question. 25th question is, the sum of the square of two consecutive natural numbers. First consecutive is x, sum. Here the square is there because here the given square, sum. Second one is x plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 25. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next sum, cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is complementary angles. So which is equals to sin theta. Is it right? So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree, product of this equals to dash. Sin 60, what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. And sin 30 is 1 by 2, which is equals to root 3 by 4. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, complementary angles for this one. Cos 48, cos 90 minus 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Cos 90 minus 48 is sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. So which option is right? Cancel, it will get cancelled, which is equals to 0. So option B is correct. Next, 29th question. 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta is equals to dash. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Secant square, instead of secant square, you can write 1 by cos square theta. Get cancelled, which is equals to 1. Which option is right? Option 1 is correct. Next, the ladder is inclined to a wall, making of an angle 60 degree. The distance from the foot of the ladder to wall is 9.5 meter. The length of ladder is dash. This is the length of the ladder. This one is distance from the foot here to here is 9.5 meter. Angle is 60 degree. So apply tan formula. Tan theta, tan 60 degree is equals to opposite. I will consider this one as x by 9.5. So tan 60, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3 is equals to x into 9.5. So 9.5 into root 3 value. So what is the value of root 3? 1.7 something. Okay, take this one as 1.7 is equals to x. So 9.5 into 1.7, which approximately equal to 16.15. Okay, so x value is equals to, round figure that one, you will get 16. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Next, Next question. 100 root 3 meters building is viewed is from a point 100 meter away from the foot of the building. The angle of elevation is dash. 100 root 3 meters. What is the building height? 100 root 3. Here one point is there. From here to building, foot to here point 100 meters. So you need to find out the angle here. Okay. So tan theta, again tan theta is equals to opposite by 100. 100 root 3 divided by 100. 100 get cancelled. The value of root 3. So what is the value of root 3? 60 degree. Correct? Yes. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, mean, median, then the value of mode is dash. Yes, empirical relationship between. Just now in previous paper I discussed it. Solve this one by your own and comment, send your answer in comment box. Okay, which option is right for this one? 32nd question. I will give 30 seconds. Yes, send it fast. Yes, some students are sending correct answer. Okay, I will go for next sum. Yes, send it fast. Yes. Next question is 5, 8, 14, 16, 19, and 20. Calculate the mode. So mode here. I think this is the not mode. Again, mistake is here because no numbers frequency is repeating here. Is it right? So consider this one as median, not mode. Okay, median. Yes, you can also calculate. Yeah. Yes, you can calculate mode because observe here empirical relationship again. Okay, so 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. Is it right? Mode plus 2 mean. 3 into median, middlemost number. What is the middlemost number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will get cancelled. It will take some time to check this one. 14 to 15. So 14 plus 16 divided by 2. Okay. 14 plus 16 is how much? Say 30 divided by 2. It will give 15. So 3 into 15 is equals to mode plus 2 into mean. Find out mean. Mean is equals to 5 plus 8 plus 14 plus 16 plus 19 plus 20 divided by 6. Is it right? 6 numbers are there. So that's why divided by 6. Now add the numbers. 5 plus 8 plus 14. This one is 14. Okay. 14 plus 16 plus 19 plus 20, which is equals to 82 divided by 6. So 82 divided by 6 is 13.66. So you have multiplied into 13.66. 53 is 45 is equals to mode plus 2 into I will round figure this one. Consider this one as 14. Okay. 2 into 14. 2 into 14 is 28. So 45 minus 28 is equals to mode. Okay. 45 minus 28 is 17. 17 is equals to mode. But option is not there. I think this one is median. If they find out mode, use this one. Use this method and find the mode. Okay, but option is not there because 17 is the mode. So I think addition everything is correct. 13.66. Or else if you consider this one as 13, we'll get 16. Okay, choose near one, 16. Okay, So option C is correct answer. Next, the calculation of cumulative frequency is used for determining which of the following. So cumulative frequency, where we need for finding median. Okay. So option C is correct. Next, a cylindrical shaped pencil is sharpened. Cylindrical shape. This one is pencil. Okay, sharpened. When you sharpen this one, you will get two types of solids. What is the solid name? This one is cylinder and this one is cone. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, the ratio of, I will rub everything. Okay, we get confusion. This is also C, this is also C, this is also C. The ratio of volume of the cylinder, in both the sides having radius r and height, volume of the cone and volume of the cylinder. So volume of cone divided by volume of cylinder. So what is the ratio? Volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h divided by volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h, pi r square cancel, you will get 1:3. Which option is right? Option E is correct. Next, go for next sum. That 8th question. The surface area of the sphere having radius 7 centimeter is dash. Sphere surface area. What is the formula? Surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 22 into 4 is 88 into 7. 7 8s are 56. Pi carry 56 plus 6, 616. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, the correct formula to find the value, sorry, this one is volume, not value. Okay, volume of a frustum of cone is dash. So volume formula, frustum of the cone, what is the formula? 1/3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Option C is correct. Look here also minus, 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 you won't get. So that's why option C is correct. The volume of the cylinder formed by two solid sphere will be, no, remains same. Okay, volume won't changes. Next, if a point P divides a line segment AB such that PB by AB is equals to 3/7, then AP is to PB is dash. AP is to PB. PB divided by AB line. Okay, write this one. AB length is 7. Okay. PB, here one point is there. P to B is 3. Then A to P is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So which option is right? Option D is correct. So dear students, successfully we completed 80 questions. Okay. Thank you so much. Do well. If you get any confusion, mention in comment box. Okay. I will explain you. I will try to solve. Thank you students. Do well. Prepare well. All the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone.